If you're here, chances are you're a founder trying to market your product. Marketing is challenging enough, but doing it without a budget or without a fully developed product is even tougher. So what's the essence of effective marketing? Providing genuine value and solving a real pain point for your audience is number one. Number two, building trust so customers feel confident choosing your brand. People often make buying decisions based on immediate desires or emotional triggers. Later, they rationalize their choices by convincing themselves the purchase was worthwhile. That emotional urge is fueled by trust and likability, and that's why car companies showcase crash tests to build trust and safety. Apple highlights their obsessive attention to detail, even in unseen parts of their product, to show that they care deeply about quality. But as founders without a marketing budget, how can we earn our audience's trust? Think about beverage companies that give you a behind-the-scenes look at how their beer is made. They show the production lines, the meticulous cleanliness, protocols, and collaborations with local farmers. These insights build trust with consumers. We can do the same by inviting our audiences into our daily operations. Since you're likely wearing many hats as a founder, sharing the behind the scenes of how your product or company is built not only demystifies your process, but also fosters trust. But you might be thinking, I'm at my desk all day coding, reading documentations, working on designs, or handling logistics. There's nothing interesting to show. And I get it, I face the same challenge, so I'm starting an experiment where I'll conduct daily stand-up by myself, record what I learn, the experiments I've tried, my progress, and even my mistakes. Then once a week, I'll compile these insights and share them along the snippets of my day-to-day life. An added advantage for those of us who haven't made it yet is that we're still in the trenches. We intimately understand the difficulties encountered in the early stages of a startup venture. Sharing this journey not only helps us connect with others, but also builds trust and authenticity with our audience. I don't know how it's gonna work out, but my goal is to provide as much value as possible. So please let me know if the content resonates with you. Okay, so you can see that this is the first day of me recording, and I was just saying that my last video only got 4 views in the first 4 hours, so that's kind of sad. And yeah, here I'm kind of talking about my project. You can go to like the explore page, and then you can see your goals right here. I'm going to have a goal, which is here, get 10 communities with 10 active, and it includes your why, it includes your timeline. You can change your timelines, milestones and stuff, so you can define like cadence and actionable items. I'm going to be filling out the snippets here. I think I was having a hard time trying to digest that my last YouTube video didn't do well here, and right now I'm kind of questioning myself. What should I be doing next, and how should I be spending my energy? And this is my attempt to kind of gather user research information about how people might be adopting the Camaraderie project. Questions are listed here. I was just hanging out with my friends, and we were at a block party in San Francisco, which is kind of cool. Like there's some dancing going on, food and drinks, and there's a huge disco ball. Anyways, really one of the best way to kind of get yourself out of the slump is to write down everything that's bothering you. And I was able to realize that what I really need to focus on right now is marketing, and that made me feel a lot happier. Yeah, so to wrap up, this is what I do when I want to brainstorm. I usually use a Apple Notes, and then I just kind of like doodle a little bit and write down what I need to do, and then later on convert that into an animated video like what I'm showing here, which I found to be pretty useful.